How to use Mailerlite.com. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to use Mailerlite.com for your email marketing campaigns. So let's get started. What you have to do is simply come to Mailerlite.com and you will land on this platform right here. Mailerlite allows you to create your own email marketing campaigns, to do automations, to create your own websites, and sell your digital products as well. Mailerlite has many different features. There are two pricing plans. There is a free plan, and then it depends on the number of subscribers that you will have. But there is no credit card required to try it out for free. So I will show you how to use Mailerlite for your email marketing campaigns. Once you have signed up for your Mailerlite, first what you have to do is simply sign up for your Mailerlite. Click on sign up and then it will ask you about your company name and you will have to add the email address. Simply add the company name, for example, the social guide, and then you will simply add your email address and set up a reasonable password. So that is what I am going to do now if I were to sign up, or I can simply log into my account that I already have. So what you have to do is simply sign up. Once you have signed up, you will get your own dashboard where we will be able to create our own campaign. So I have signed up for Mailerlite.com and this is actually my account, my Mailerlite, where I am getting all of these different options. If I scroll down, I will be able to see these options: create campaign, create form, create workflow, and create page as well. And these options are given above too. When you click on any of these options, it takes you to that particular dashboard. So when you create an account, you will have to complete your profile and then request an approval. For now, I am not going to do that because I want to show you how to create an email marketing campaign. So simply click on campaigns right here and it will take you to your campaign dashboard. Here you will be able to see all the campaigns that you have already created. If you have not created a campaign yet, it will be empty. So what you have to do is you will see this option create campaign right here. Click on create campaign and Mailerlite will take you to the window where we will be able to add different options and create our campaign. So this is the choose campaign type. First you have to give a name to your campaign. Let's call it test 2. So this is going to be the name for my campaign, test 2 CP. After that, I am going to add the subject for my campaign. So anything you want to add, or what is the subject field for your email marketing campaign. So I am going to add, so you will add the subject right here. I have just added like test text, and then we have the social guide, like who is it from. You add your company name or your client name, and then you will add the sender email right here, and the language is going to be English. Once you're done with these settings, you will simply click on next and it will take you to the content. One thing that I want to show you is that you can create these different type of campaigns. For example, I am going with a regular one, but if you want to go for an A/B split testing campaign, if you want to go with an auto resend, if you want to go with an RSS campaign, so you get all of these options in Mailerlite and you can go with any of these. For now, I am going to go for the regular one. Simply click on next. Now you have to select the type, the editor that you want to work with. You can go with a drag and drop or you can go with a rich text editor. So it depends on you. I am going with a drag and drop because it's a little easy for me to work with. You can also choose a drag and drop because it becomes really easy to just drag and drop the different elements. So now we are at our workplace where we will be able to edit all the information. So I have also selected a template, that the regular campaign template that you get on Mailerlite. So this is what it will look like. This is what your email will look like, and it looks pretty good right here. You can actually edit anything you want to. So let me show you around that. What are the different features we get in Mailerlite? So you will see all blocks option. If I scroll down, it has a drop down menu. It will allow you to choose different tools. For example, you can edit the header, content, RSS, feature, gallery, button, e-commerce, special, social and sharing, and then survey and quiz and footer. So you can select from here and you will be able to add it. So right now all blocks are selected. For example, if I go with the header, and then it will allow me to edit the header, and I will actually get different options. So what is going to happen is, this is the header right here, so I can edit it. If you click on any of these elements that are available, you will see this options to edit it out, to get a review, and to copy it or to delete it. Then the block types are shown right here. For example, this is a list. If I want to go with a card or full width, I can select any from here. Then the background color is this, like the background color for my email. If I want to change the background color, I can go with any color I want to. Or I can simply go with an image if I want to add an image. So you simply click right here, and then you can choose from different color, and it will be the background color for your email campaign. So I think this looks pretty amazing. So I'm gonna select this one. Then we're going with a content setting. In content setting, I will actually edit the text right here, and I will call it something else. So you simply click on that, and it will be erased. So I have added the text right here. Simply click on this option, and it allows you to edit the text, and you simply click on save. Once you do that, your text will be edited right here. Then if I want to edit this text right here, I will simply click right here, and then I will again change the text. So I have added this text right here. Now this is the alignment for the text. Let's change the alignment, and I want it to be centered aligned. So now it is in the center, and I will simply click on save. After that, I can edit the images right here. So for now, I am not editing the images, and I will keep it this way, but you will simply click on the images, and then you will be able to edit it out. Then we have the button. I will simply click on this right here, and then I will edit the text. So once you edit the text, now I can add a URL for my campaign right here. So a URL is added. If I want to add another URL, I can go ahead and do that as well. So I will simply click on save. If I want to change the color for this one, if I want to do anything, if I want to change the font or anything, so you will simply click on edit, and then you can do so. Then we have features we are looking for. So I do not want this right here. So what I am going to do is, I will delete this block from here, and it will be deleted. Then we have ready to start, and then this text right here, I do not want this, so I will delete it. And then we have create an account. So we are not creating any account, so I will edit this one as well. So this is what it looks like. Now we have helpful links, so I do not want this as well. So I will simply go ahead and delete this box as well. And then I'm going to delete these two. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we have two dividers. I do not want two dividers. Now we have one divider, and then we have the our footer. So this looks pretty amazing. Now if I want to add another element, I want to add right here. So what I will do is, I will go to this option right here, and let's go for content. So I am going with a highlighted article. So I will drag that, and I will drop it in between these. Okay, perfect. So now I have these, because perfect, it has a divider, and then we have this right here, and then we have our footer. So this is how you are going to add different features as well. Now these are two dividers, so I will delete it right here. And I will add a divider right here between my button and my image. So what you have to do is go right here, and then look for divider. So I have added the divider as well. So this is what it looks like. This is how you can actually go ahead and change your template, and you will be able to edit everything out. And this is how your campaign will look. Of course, you can customize it the way you want to. Whatever you want to add, you will simply add it right here. And once you're done, you will simply click on done editing, and then it will take you to the next settings. So now I have saved my campaign right here. You will simply, add the recipients. Once you have added all the recipients, your different, from your different list, once you have added them out, you will simply, review your campaign. It will be, saved as a draft in your all campaigns right here. So once you have done that, you will simply able to, launch it whenever you want to. For example, if you want to publish it, you can go ahead and do that as well. So yeah, guys, this this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you how to use Mailerlite.com, how to create your own email marketing campaign. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.